Jimmy's Jukebox Mobile DJ.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm on my own from work. I've got a little delivery. I bought myself from eBay a spares and repairs Chauvet Gigbar IRC. Now it says in the description that it's stuck on a certain setting and the lasers don't work. But I think I might have an idea what's wrong with it. Let's see if we can get it working, shall we? Join me as I enter my garage. Come along, see if I can fix it. Okay, let me talk to you then about this Gigbar. It's the Gigbar IRC, and it came. I'll show you what the problem was. Now, it said in the write-up it was stuck on SLAV, and all I had to do was reset it. Then I found out that the laser wasn't working either, but I've got it working, as you can see, but there's missing a key and something called an interlock or something. Then I bought one of those. It cost me about nearly £20 for both of them, but I've got those. Let's put them on now, shall we? Okay, so here's the interlock. It's quite expensive, and that plugs into I think I might turn the power off actually before I do anything else. That plugs into there, and I think it's keyed, so it just pushes in. Seeing that, I don't know. Yeah, pushes in, and you've got to tighten it up. This is some sort of safety feature, I guess, for the laser. And then I hope I haven't lost the key already. This was nearly £6, a little tiny blooming key, but you can't use the laser without it. Will this fit? Okay, so put the key in and give it a twist, and we should hear a fan moving when we plug it in. So let's plug her in, and it's a safety feature, so turn it on, and there we go. I've got laser lights flashing, and I will put them to the ceiling sometime when I get going. But right now I'm going to try and get it to work with sound switch, so I need it on. Yeah, right, so I've already put it in. Where have I got it? Gigbar IRC 25. Gigbar IRC 20 channel mode. So menu. Enter. Up. Great, there's only Gigbar 20 channel mode. There's only 19 channels. Okay, so I have got my Gigbar 19 channel mode. So I move over to here, press menu, press enter. Yeah, 19 channel mode, and I need to go up to go up to 25, or down to 25 should I say. Press enter, enter. Right, so we're now in the right channel mode. Use the ZMX cable now. So I'm happy with that. I've got it working. You see that? Just there. Got it working. And I've got it working. And I've got it working. Got it working on here. On my Prime 2 with sound switch. A little bit more of a that's the control one, but I've got it working. So I've got a static look there. Look at that, that's nice. We've got that working. Static look with the lasers on the roof. So the lasers are working and it's all working. That's cool. So that was a bargain. 160 quid. Do you think it was a bargain or not? Well, I do. About 300 quid to buy. I know it's the old model, the IRC. I've also got the remote with it. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Whoa, we've got the remote. We've got the remote with it. So we'll try that as well, shall we? See what happens there. So we'll see if the remote works. Okay, so I already had the remote. So we can go auto. You press and hold. You can select which auto mode you want from here. Nice. So that's just the laser, I think. Laser's working. Different modes. We've actually got a fade mode, which will be nice. Choose the different fade you want. Yeah, that's nice. And we have got sound. Changes to sound. And we've got sound mode, as I've already said. So that goes to sound. Wow. And we've got strobe. Cool.